for them. Okay, they are being harvested. Everybody thinks that humans are being taken by aliens on their ship away, and then they are experimented, etc. And that's called human harvesting. No, the harvesting is done energetically. Okay, so me saying this, okay, I run the risk. However, okay, the divine instructed me to, it's time. So it's time for you guys to know. So we are being harvested as of this moment. And as the wars continue and the wars perpetuate, okay, whether all of the energy, whether it's positive energy or negative energy, they consume it. Okay. If you know the guy named Ike, is it David Ike? I think he was stating this. So this is confirmation of his research. Okay, so they consume our energy. Okay, there are some, okay, that would literally consume physically, but all of them consume our energy. Okay, so whether it's positive or negative energy, they consume it. Okay, so as for, okay, I was talking about the owners of the earth who want to enslave us. Okay, however, the gods and goddesses who look at us as children and who tries to guide us and awaken us and also assist us, okay, they also consume energy, but they consume positive energy. So if you send out somebody's praying in a positive manner, that energy is also consumed. Okay, so you give offerings, that energy is consumed. Okay, so that energy goes somewhere. Okay, so the positive and the negative forces, the yin and yang, okay, as symbols, the yin and yang, the positive and negative forces, they are consumed. And that's how the whole system runs energetically. Okay? That's why there is creation and then there is creation and then there is destruction. They go hand in hand. Okay. All right. So if you're an activist, or if you're planning to go against these institutions, you better think twice and think hard before you do such things. Okay. I've already confirmed with the divine. So let's say you go against the system. The divine told me there is really, you cannot win. Because like I said earlier, they are energetically superior, they are physically superior, and they are also technologically superior. So there is really no winning against the dragon race, the owners of this earth. You cannot win. Even if you amass every single military in this world to try to overtake them, you can't win. Because they are the ones who are technologically advanced, and every single weapon we have on this planet, they have a countermeasure. Okay, they already have it. So there's no winning. Unfortunately, I've asked, and that is their answer. Now, Okay, so that's how we are totally under their mercy. Okay, so the dragon people, because they are the ones controlling technology in this planet, both known and unknown technology, we are kept ignorant of their presence to keep the illusion that we are free. Okay, so this is my notes. Okay, I'm not reading somebody else's book. Okay, you might think I'm reading somebody else's work. No, I didn't Google this. I didn't. This is purely direct communication with the divine. Okay, so I know what I'm doing, and I'm not copying anybody. Okay, so I said what I said. Okay, so they are technologically superior, and they are in control of everything. Okay, so we are under the illusion of the system. So for the few of us, okay, the people like me who are volunteers from another system, this is what we have to deal with. Okay, so yes, so yes, our job is tough. Our job is not easy. Okay, so now if you're um, so if you're an activist, one way or another, they will get you. Okay, and your sacrifice, when the activists or awakened people, awakened beings that speak truth are targeted by the system and are one of the purposes of their life is they inspire others to wake up. Okay, right. So they inspire others to wake up to change their ways. Okay. So I'm not saying that the activist role in this planet is meaningless. I'm saying is that you best be careful. Okay, because you are dealing with forces that are beyond your comprehension. If you're an activist and you're not spiritual and you don't have any direct connection with the divine in some sort of way, and you're just following your convictions, be prepared because the system you're fighting is highly superior. Okay, and you may think you're having taking a side, like if you're doing your activism for your country. Bear in mind, there's no such thing as a country. Every single every single land you call a country is under the same sphere of influence. Every religion, every organization, every corporation, every government is under the sphere of one superior race, which is our creators. Okay. I hope you understand the gravity of what I just said. Okay. Now, I'm not saying it. I'm not saying that to scare you or defer you from your life's purpose. I'm saying that so that you will grasp the reality of your situation. Okay. You can better